Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a HubSpot website. We'll start by exploring the fundamental elements that make up a successful site on the platform. You'll learn to confidently navigate the user-friendly interface, making the building process straightforward. We'll also cover how to effectively utilize HubSpot's extensive library of pre-designed templates, saving you valuable time and effort. This foundational knowledge is crucial for creating an impactful online presence. Before diving into the build, strategic planning is essential for a successful HubSpot website. First, clearly define your website's primary goals and understand your target audience's needs. Next, meticulously map out your site structure, including pages and navigation, ensuring a logical flow for visitors. Finally, choose a HubSpot theme or template that aligns perfectly with your brand's aesthetic and functional requirements. This thoughtful preparation lays a strong foundation for your digital presence. With your plan in place, it's time to focus on content creation and search engine optimization. Develop engaging and informative content that resonates with your target audience, providing genuine value. Implement strategic keywords throughout your pages to improve search engine visibility and attract organic traffic. Don't forget to integrate powerful calls to action and forms to capture leads and guide visitors through their journey. HubSpot's tools make these steps seamless and efficient. The final stage involves launching your website and ensuring its continued success. Before going live, perform a comprehensive pre-launch checklist, verifying every detail from links to mobile responsiveness. Once published, closely monitor your website's initial performance, paying attention to traffic and user engagement. Utilize HubSpot's analytics to continuously gather insights, allowing you to make data-driven decisions for ongoing optimization and growth. Your website is a living asset that benefits from constant refinement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.